What are you doing?
I'm singing Disney songs in Spanish, and
She's learning Spanish to go on a mission.
I'm making the worst muffins ever, but I gave it my best shot.
They don't look so bad.
These ones are really cute. These are the best ones. Actually, it's this one. This is the best one.
So you made three batches?
Kind of.
It's been a day. We had some miscommunication. That's super loud. It's so cute. She's listening to her Spanish music so she can learn the Spanish language when she goes on her mission. She's going down to Mexico soon to learn Spanish so she can teach in Spanish. So anyway, she made zucchini muffins by herself today. We had a few mishaps. The first ones I was in here and I shared to add more flour because they were kind of watery. And then we had an incident where she asked about putting the fork in, and I said, well, if it comes out with anything on it, you need to put it back in.
And so I said, if it comes out, like the muffin came out with it, like it held onto the muffin and came out with it. She's like, you need to keep them in longer.
I thought she was talking about a little gooey stuff, and she was talking about the entire muffin. So she put them in, and so they were a little dark, these ones. And then I didn't help her with the second batch.
I think I actually miscounted, if I remember correctly, and I only put 5 cups of flour in, but I thought I put 6. So I was like, okay.
So they're a little flat.
They taste okay, though.
But then her last batch,
I just added some flour to them.
She added some flour, and they look good. I wish I could eat one. They smell heavenly. The house smells so good. Look at her. She's already cleaned up, and, well, she's working on it. We got garbage, and those are pears off our tree. Aren't they gorgeous? That's all. Oh, we got a bunch. I didn't want to dry them because they're so good. So we're just enjoying those. And now we have lots of muffins for her to put in the freezer. So, yeah, just cleaning up and putting them in the freezer. Anyway, so cute. She's in here singing her heart out in Spanish. I could hear her, so I came out to videotape. Have a blessed day.